I am going to show you how to operate quickbundle from the beginning, from the registration to everything on quickbundle. So here, if you type www.quickbundle.com.ng on any of your browser, here is how the front page is going to look. And if you need any support, you call the support line. Any of these three number anytime they are available. So now let's start with the registration. After it's open like this, you click on registration. Then here is how the registration page is going to look like. You put your first name, your last name, and your username. Make sure your username should be one. There should not be space between your username. If you like, you add number, and if you don't like, you leave it. Just make it one name. Then you add your phone number and your email. Then this referral is optional. If you like, you put referral name, and if you like, just leave it like that. Your registration will still be complete. Then now in password there are some things that we need to do in password. Understand? In password, it's have to be capital letter plus small letter like this, then plus any of this character from this at hash this or any of these. So any of them you can add, you add it. Like for example, let's add at now. Then you now put number, any number 081. So you confirm the same thing here, and if you are done like that, you fill everything. Then you now click on register, and it will be registered. Then it will take you directly to the login page. So let's go and log in and see how we operate it. So if you save your details on your phone, it will show like mine here. So what you need to do is just you'll click on login, and if you did not save them, you can just input them and log in. So here is the welcome page, and always make sure you always read the welcome notes. This notification shows us some important messages that the website want to pass, or that the management want to pass to the agent operating the website. So always read the notification, the front page. So like this now, this front page now is telling us that if you are funding your wallet more than 2,500, you send it directly to this account. Or if you are even funding it below this amount, you can still send it. What you need to do is just in your description, just put your username, and your account will be funded immediately. So now let's go to the main site. If you log in, here is how your dashboard is going to look like. Your dashboard will look like this. So let's start checking them one by one from the first thing you need to do after you've registered. The first thing you need to do after you've registered is to fund wallet. You click on this fund wallet. After it's load, here is what it will show you first. So you have to put amount. Any amount that you want to fund your wallet, you have to put it first. For example, for the sake of this training, let's put 1,000. And you now click on pay. After it load, it will show you where to confirm the payment. Here is the bank charges for the payment, and here is your email. It will show you everything. Then you now click on pay and continue if you are satisfied with it. After it load, it will now take you to pay stack page where it will show you different means or different mode of payment. Here is pay with card, pay with bank, pay with transfer, pay with USSD, and pay with Visa QR. So now let's start with pay with card. If you want to pay with your ATM card, this you click on pay with card. After clicking on pay with card, it will now bring you where you put the long code on your ATM, the month, the expiring month and year. Then you turn the back of your ATM, you see 3-digit number, you now put it here. After you fill in like this, you now click on pay. Immediately it will take you to a page where you input your 4-digit pin, your ATM pin. After you put it, they will now send you an OTP from your bank. So the OTP, without the OTP, your account cannot be funded. So if they send you OTP from your bank and a space will be given to you in the website where you confirm the OTP. As soon as you just insert the OTP on the site, your account will be funded immediately. Here is the first method, which you can stay in your room and fund your wallet yourself. Now the second method is pay with pay with bank. Still loading. Pay with bank. When you click on pay with bank, it will bring you where to choose any bank of your choice, whether First Bank. Here are the banks they have. So you click on anyone. For example, let's click on UBA. So if you click on anyone, it will now ask you to put your account number. After you've put your account number, it will ask you for your BVN. Immediately you put your BVN, your account will be funded immediately. Let's go and check others. Then we have pay with transfer. If you click on pay with transfer, it will generate a Zenith bank account that will last for 30 minutes for you. After you've copied, you click here to copy the account number. So after you've clicked on it and copy it, immediately you can do transfer straight to the account number. After you've done transfer, you now come back to the site and click on this I have sent the money. As soon as you just click I have sent the money, your account will be funded immediately. So that is the easiest way, the 3 easiest way of funding your wallet. Now let's go and check other products. That is all about funding wallets. Now after you fund your wallet, the next thing is to as soon as you fund your wallet, you can access any of the products. From data down to bill payment, you can access it. So now let's start with data. Now here is how the data page look like. As soon as you click on buy data, it will bring you to this page and it will give you 3 spaces, whereby the first one you select a network. Any network you want to put the data, you just select the network. Then the second step is to select the plan, either 1 gig, 2 gig or 500 MB or any of the plan you wish. So you select it. Then the space given here is for you to put your number. You put your phone number or the number you want to send data to. You just put it there. As soon as you put the number here, you click on proceed. As soon as you proceed, the data will be sent to the number immediately. So that is how you do the rest of the network all. So let's go and check buy airtime. You click on buy airtime if you want to buy airtime. Then you select any network of your choice. Maybe for example, let's select Glow and see. Then you now click on proceed. After it load, in Glow we are giving you 4% discount. That means 100 naira card, we are selling it for you at the rate of 96 naira. So you put any amount you want to buy, either 100, 200, 300, 400, you put any amount. As soon as you put the amount, if you put 100, automatically we are going to sell it for you what? 96 naira. So after you put the amount, you now put the person number, or you put the number you want to send the airtime, and immediately the airtime will be sent to you. So the same thing apply to the other network. The same way. As soon as you just select the network here, just click on proceed and it will take you to where you put the amount and the number. So now the next thing is cable subscription. That is TV payment. This TV payment, if you click on TV payment, is going to take you to where to cable subscription. Cable subscription has some space again where you the place the right decoder here is where you select either you want to do DSTV, GoTV, StarTime, etc. Anyone you want to do. Here is where you select it. For example, for the sake of training, let's select GoTV and see. When you click on it, then here this plan is where you select the one you want to do, either Smally or GoTV Max or GoTV Jolly. So anyone you want to do and the amount you want to do, here is where you select it. After you select it, here is where you put the decoder number, and here is where you put the customer phone number. Here is for the decoder number and here is for the customer number. And I will advise you to always ask the customer to send their name, the name they used to register for the TV. They should send it along with their decoder code name and code number whenever they want you to subscribe for them. Because as soon as you put the decoder number here and you put the person's phone number and you click on this proceed, before you go to payment, it's going to show you the person name. So you have to confirm the name is going to show you with the name the person sent to you. If they are the same, before you proceed for the payment. But if they are not the same, you have to report back to the person to confirm the name, so that you will not have any issue or have any problem. So the same thing applicable to the rest of the cables. Then next thing is bill payment. If you want to do bill payment, where they write this code here is where you select the one you want to do. Here are the states that have PHNC. So for example, if you want to select Abuja now, we use abbreviation for everything. For example, this Abuja here, this KAN here is showing that it's Kaduna Electricity Distribution Company. Then this AEDC here is showing that Abuja Electricity Distribution Company. So this is their abbreviation all. So anyone you want to do, just select, click on it, and it will come. Then this meter type, the meter type, when you click on it, it show prepaid or postpaid. If the person want to pay before he use, you select the prepaid. And if he's paying, maybe he owe, So you select postpaid, but mostly we always select what? Prepaid. You click on prepaid, then you put meter number here and the person's phone number. The same thing applicable. Always ask those people, your customers, to send their name along with their meter number, so that as soon as you put the meter number, you put the person phone number, and you put the amount you want to generate. Immediately you proceed, it will show the person's name to confirm the person name for you before you proceed. If the name it show you is different from the name the person sent to you, you have to report back to the person. Don't generate the token. But if it is okay, you can go ahead and generate the token. So that is how you do for all bill payments. Now we have scratch card there. We have scratch card. Exam pin. Sorry, exam pin here means scratch card, both WAEC and NECO. They are currently unavailable now, but we are working on them and they will be available soon. Assuming they are available now, you click on this exam. Where they write exam, you click on it. That is where you select either NECO or WAEC. Then this quantity here is whether you need 3, 4, 5 and above. Any amount you need, you just type it there. If it is 1, you just type 1. And this phone number, just enter any phone number, either your own or their own, anyone, and you proceed. Immediately you proceed, it will generate the card for you. You either screenshot it or you copy the card and send it to the person to check the exam. So that is all about exam pin. So that is how you access all our products, and all the transaction you are doing will be recorded under this recent transaction. You see all the transaction, like the data this person send, everything you do here are there. The cable subscription the person do, here are all the transaction. You see everything. Transaction will show you the status. Status here will show you either the transaction is successful or not. You always check your status. If it is successful, that means it has sent. But if it is showing pending, sometimes, for example, pending, maybe you don't have enough in your wallet and you try sending any of the product, it will show pending here. Pending. As soon as you just fund your wallet, you report back to the admin, and then the issue will be resolved immediately. Here your recent transaction will show the time and date you do the transaction. It will show the time and date. It will show the reference code, the amount you did, and the service you do, either data, airtime, TV payment, exam, or bill payment. Anyone, it will show it there. And here is referral link, where you get your referral link. Either if you want to refer anybody to the website, you want to refer your friend, your family, or anybody, here is where you get it. You click on it and it will be copied, then you share it with them. So that is how you get your referral link. Then the next thing you have to do, you like